Okay, this explains about how to change out a couple items in one of your programs. So let's say this one, you click on, make sure you're in control, the control section right here, you see at the top. Click on one of them at a time. Let's say you want to switch out some items in the UTI program. So I put together one. So what you do is you find the one that has the UTI first. So you look at this E. coli. So let's say you don't need E. coli anymore because you found out that E. coli's already taken care of through the antibiotics. So what you want to do, you want to switch out that. So what first thing you do is you make sure you're on that program. Yours might be the UTI might be on one of these other generators. But you might want to click on that. First you have to stop the program because you're going to make some changes to it. So make sure you're on that one and then just hit stop. It's going to turn red right there. Okay, and then go over to programs. Click on programs. Okay. Down below you're going to see the frequency set right there, the list of them. To take out one of them, so let's say you want to take out E. coli, double click right on it, and it takes it out from loaded programs. Then I'm going to suggest, instead of E. coli, I would leave those other ones in there. Ureaplasma, aflatoxin, Aspergillus flavus. So then you'd go in, what you want to do is you type in, I found some frequencies in a program called vaginosis. So you type in at least the first few letters. Hope you can see that. So you basically just type in VAGINO and then hit enter. Okay, and then it'll come up. Now, I know you don't have vaginosis, but there's some frequencies in here that actually benefit the urinary tract. And even description it has. Okay, let me find it. I'm going to click on it, make it blue, and then you can see the description. Has Gardnerella, Ureaplasma, Candida, all of that. Okay? So let's say you want to add that. And I've seen a lot of people do well with this one. So if you want to add it to this program, the UTI program, you double click on it, and it puts it down on the bottom one right there. You can see. So now you want to save this program so you can run it. In order to save the program, you go to presets, and then you select the second one down, which is the save button. Hit the save. It opens up a window. You can ignore all the rest of these because these are our programs, okay? But you would select. I'm gonna go down here because I need to get to the bottom of this list here. Okay, so there's the UTI important. You would hit that one, and then it shows up in the file name. And yours, I think, is called UTI-important Holland. Whatever that is, you hit save. Okay, and then in order to start that program, find my cursor. Okay. In order to start the program, you click on UTI, and it loads it in the middle. Then you go to Control, and then whichever generator that was, it's going to be red. Red means it's not running. That generator's not running. All these are running. The green means they're running. Okay. So then you select Allow Generator Overwrites, and you select the red one. Sometimes it's pink. Hit the pink square. You can see that check mark goes away temporarily, and then it loads it over here, and then all you do is you hit start. Okay, and then it gives it a minute and make sure your remote lights up, and then you can tell it's running. You can see up close. Estimated total runtime, whatever that is. Current preset duration, 16, 17, 18 minutes. Okay. Now I prefer you would run these other generators, the other programs that I've set up for you, bacteria, viruses, parasites, because those are the ones that are that are really important. So, okay, so hopefully that helps you. Okay, bye.